Welcome to another kTip with Kak Varley. I want to talk about 3 marketing strategies that are great for people starting off in the digital world. These are common mistakes that I see. So let's start with 1. Always bring value. When you're posting, when you're blogging, when you're adding pages to your website, ask yourself, so what? Meaning, will your audience care what you're doing? Is it going to bring value to them? There's a comment I make a lot that goes like this. There is what we want to sell, but there is what people want to be sold. And it's that second part that is the most important because it really dives into knowing your audience. If you know your audience, you will have a much more successful time online. Because remember, sometimes people don't know who you are in the digital world. They haven't met you physically. So you have to make sure you bring value online, okay? 2, build trust online. But how do you do that? First, have a presence online. They should be able to find you online, and especially the way the world is going now, you definitely want to be online. Then you want to have brand consistency. Make sure that no matter where anybody goes, they know they are at your business. Common colors, fonts, images, things of that nature. Make sure whether it's on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, website, make sure it is consistent across the board. That will provide a level of trust for customers and potential customers. And lastly, make it easy. We're building a lot of content online these days. And people will say content is king. What I say is content is garbage if it doesn't have structure. People need to be able to find your content easily. So structure your content, categorize it, make it easy for them to find. And there you have it. If you want more information, if you'd like to ask me any more questions, would love to hear from you. Visit me at kakvarley.com. That's K-A-K-V as in Victor, A-R-L-E-Y.com. And this kTip was sponsored by 411, the social media calendar. It does the thinking for you. Check them out at 411.com. That's F-O-U-R, numeral 1, O-N-E.com. Again, that's F-O-U-R, numeral 1, O-N-E.com. Have a great day, folks. Bye-bye.